Bad Bunny made his story with his halftime performance. This was fire, and this is the perfect timing to create another reggaeton tutorial. Let's create a Bad Bunny type beat. Let's set our tempo. We go with 90 something, maybe 97, and first plugin is going to be Lab, so I can find my chord progression. You know, I really love starting my beat with the chord progression. Once you have your chord progression, everything become easy. So I might use the soft piano. It's a free preset and labs. So I mean, let's go with minor key, maybe a sharp minor. Okay, that's gonna be our root note, and this is the chord progression. That is our chord progression. Command B, we duplicate it, and then we can copy the low note so we can have the root note as our bass note. So now I'm gonna try to create my main melody. After, I will layer this chord progression with other instruments. To do so, I'm going to use a plugin by UJam, which is the synth. Those has a bunch of crazy presets. And let's go to lead. Okay, this is perfect for reggaeton. Let's try to create the melody, and then okay, let's copy the same thing and see. And then we copy the same thing and we do and then we do the same thing here, and then we will change the last two notes, and then we do okay. Next thing we can do is that we transpose those one an octave higher. Nice, that sounds good. Okay, now we are going to add some effect on it so it can sound better. First plugin is gonna be Kickstart. Let's go. So let's clone it, and then we are going to try to find another preset. Maybe go to Euphoria. This one, let's try to find a lead. No, I think I might go. Yeah, I might go with this one, the default preset, and then combine it with this one. Now we are going to add the synth bass. I might use maybe Serum 2, and then I think let's go to the Echo Sound Work, and then I might use the Vega preset. We just use the low note. Command L, Command B, and then we lower it again. That's fire. Okay, now it's time to layer this chord progression that we have with other instrument. I think I might go with C serum, and then I think I save a preset and use it for R&B. I created that preset. Let's remove the low note, and then okay, nice. We have it. That sounds very good. I think I'm gonna add other layer just to try to build the atmospheric vibe around this sound. Let's go to deluxe, and then I remember I use a Vox preset on this one. Okay, I think it was this one right there. Command C, Command V. We use the same one. Let's call this one our choir, and then mess up with those a little bit. Okay, sounds crazy, and I think I'm gonna add pottie on it. Normally pottie will add more harmonic to it, make it sound much more interesting. Okay, and also I can add a filter. Let's use a fluty filter. Okay, now if we combine everything, that sounds good. I am going to add another serum. I remember I saved a moving pad. This one sounds like this. Just trying to build the vibe, you know. Now it's time to add some drum. I gave away this Reggaeton Constructed kit last year. I might use it again. So pretty simple like that. Okay, now we are going to use another bass. Let's remove the synth bass. I'm gonna use this one. And with Reggaeton, you will have different part of the song. You will have a pre-chorus sometime, or you will have a part that is really chill, and a part that has all the drum and everything. So let's make sure that we add this bass right there. Okay, that's good. We have our bass now. That sounds good, but we are not done, guys, because we are going to try to take the track to another level. Now let's try to create another melody. I think I'm gonna go with Nexus. Okay, I think we can start with this right now. We mute those one, and then we mute the choir. Okay, let's try with this. Something like that. Okay, let's play with those. Okay, we do this same thing over and over, guys. And then the next thing, we make sure that the envelope okay, so that part is going to be like that, and like now I think it's time to bring some vocal chop. I think I don't want a lot, just 1 or 2, and then we're good to go. Let me just go off camera and then bring that vocal chop. I'm gonna bring the mix on the reverb down a little bit. Okay, sounds good. And guys, I find this vocal chop. Let's make sure we stretch pull. Time is gonna be 4 bars, and we are on the key of A sharp minor. That means we can transpose minus 700, I think. That's fine. Okay, now I think I wanna add more melody. Let's say that we use these sky keys, and we're trying to find a word. That is a little bit too late. Comment B, and then we have this melody. That means we have 3 different melody. Maybe we try to do another one. Woo! That's crazy fire, guys. We have 3 or 4 sections for our beat. We have the first section, which is this melody right here. That sounds like this. And we have another section that could be like this. And then we have another section that could be like this. That's crazy fire. I'm going to go off camera, make the arrangement, because I don't want this video to be too long. My max 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to do the arrangement off camera and then get back to y'all with the final result. Guys, I am done with the arrangement, and it is pretty simple, nothing crazy at all. So I have an intro, and then I have like a first verse, and then I have this part that comes in the chorus, and then it's like, it's crazy. I'll just go with the vibe, and then the artist could find something interesting to do on it. So yeah, guys, I didn't do anything crazy on it. I just add my tag, and also right there I had this calm down from the Afrobeats volume 1, and then that all I did. So yeah, that's it. Let me let you enjoy the final vibe.